Today we're going to be trying a recipe for a 3-ingredient keto-friendly dessert that is perfect for spring or summer. And if you're new here, welcome. My twin sister Sarah and I have lost 160 pounds following a ketogenic lifestyle since 2019. We call ourselves technically keto because we're quite relaxed about this lifestyle. So if you enjoy our vibes, please subscribe because we would like to get more subscribers than we have today. It is just clicking a button, but it really does help support our channel. I'm watching a dog getting up on the couch in the background. No! 3-ingredient recipes in this niche or category are always very alluring, and we ran out of 2-ingredient recipes, so now we're on to 3-ingredient recipes, and we're gonna run out of those too. So if you guys see any recipes that have 3 ingredients or 2, let us know in the comment section below. So the recipe for today is going to be 3-ingredient, keto-friendly lemon brownies. We have tried many of Kirby's Cravings recipes in the past, and we're gonna be leaving this recipe linked in the description below underneath the video player. If you click more, you will expand the video description and see all the links and everything having to do with us and this channel. So check out the description. There's links and coupon codes, links to our favorite products, etc. And make sure to stay tuned because we found some hacks that kind of go along with this recipe that we think would be really useful to improve your life in the kitchen and ours, because honestly, we don't know what we're doing half of the time.
Nope, we don't.
So for this recipe, you are going to need white, keto-friendly chocolate. This is by Choc Zero. It's one of our favorite white chocolates, honestly. It tastes really good. We have a coupon code linked below. You're gonna be needing lemons and eggs. And the eggs should be cold right out of the refrigerator. Let's get started making our 3-ingredient, keto-friendly lemon brownies.
Do we want to preheat the oven or later?
Sure.
There's no oven light because ours blew.
Oh. The first step is going to be preheat your oven to 350 degrees, which we've already done. The next step is going to be lining a baking pan. This is an 8x8 inch decrepit looking baking pan.
It's clean, I just washed it.
With parchment paper. And that is where our first hack for baking is going to be revealed. If you ball up parchment paper into a crinkly ball, it makes it way easier to actually line a pan that is not your average sheet pan. I don't know, should I do it multiple times?
Yeah, I think so. You want it to be like flexible, I think. I don't know if this is faster than just cutting it. Will the brownie be all crinkly though?
Okay. That kind of looks like beep. Next up, we're going to be taking our 3 eggs. We're going to be putting them into a stainless steel bowl where I'm going to show you our second hack that we're going to be testing out. I don't like cracking eggs. I feel like I don't ever do it right.
I've seen people do it with one hand. It's kind of crazy.
Well, if you crack 500 eggs in a day, you probably will be very proficient.
Try cracking one with one hand.
So the next step is going to be to beat these eggs for like 8 minutes with a stand mixer. And here comes our second hack. Sarah and I don't have a stand mixer. A lot of you guys are like, why don't you just get a stand mixer? Let me take you on a little field trip around Sarah's kitchen. This is it. And she doesn't have any room for anything else at this point. So unless we got an apartment to film in or something like that, there's not gonna be a stand mixer in this house because, there, I'm touching Sarah's kitchen. It's a small house, it's a loved house, it's a happy home, okay? So I saw a hack on TikTok, and we're gonna be playing it here, where someone uses a grate or something else to kind of prop up the hand mixer to create a stand mixer. So we're gonna try that now. We're gonna be like sticking this through here, and so then it can just kind of sit there, and I can go have a cup of coffee.
You can peel the lemons, or zest the lemons. That's what you're gonna be doing.
Or that. So I'm just going to.
So I don't know why this seems dangerous to me, but.
All right.
Help. Wait, is it locked?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's not gonna fit in there. Okay.
Would we need a deeper bowl, maybe?
It doesn't fit. So now I have to change bowls to do this hack.
Are you sure it's entire eggs or is it just egg whites?
I'm sure. I think it's eggs.
Are you sure? Maybe if you had something to make it higher. It might just be easier to buy one.
I I don't know if it's fully incorporating everything in the bowl. That's what's concerning me. It feels like, unless we had something that we could prop this up this way as well, but then it's just like, why don't I just stand here? You know?
Yeah.
This hack may work for some, but I don't know.
We don't have a deep enough bowl.
Yeah, and I feel like all of the egg is not going in the same spot, so I'm just gonna stand here for the next 8 minutes. Just pretend like I am still back there doing that, okay? Because right now I forgot that we have to juice our lemons, which brings us to our next hack.
They've been all going well so far, so.
The next hack is, instead of kind of just cutting a lemon in half and squeezing it out, you poke a hole in the center of the lemon.
Do you want that or a chopstick? I think a chopstick would be better.
I don't care.
That's not gonna be a big enough hole.
You can just squeeze out the lemon juice like a little, fine. Today is not going my way at all.
How much do we need?
3 tablespoons.
Do you put it in the microwave?
Hack number 10. Put your lemon in the microwave for 10 seconds. I don't have much upper strength.
It kind of works. No seeds yet, right? Oh.
All right. I am going to pretend like that wasn't strenuous for me. All right, we're going to measure this out. 3.5 tablespoons. Watch, it's not enough. 1, 2, 2.5. Great.
Squeeze it more.
Ah! Good enough. The next hack is for zesting a lemon. And I saw that if you actually hold the lemon down on a surface, it's way easier to actually zest a lemon systematically or methodically. So the hack says that you put your lemon on the counter, you kind of just go across it, and then I'm totally going to.
Don't zest your finger,
I know.
please.
I don't know if this is faster. Hey, I'm not the creator of this hack. I am just
some weirdo on the internet.
Yes, exactly. How did I get here? I don't know what I'm doing. Help. I feel like it's just easier to do this. That last hack, it's not convenient for me. All right, that's about a teaspoon. Heaping teaspoon, there you go. We're back to our eggs. I'm gonna whisk this for 6.5 more minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna heat the chocolate at 30-second intervals. Make sure it does not burn, because it will. 30 seconds, stir it a little bit, maybe 20 seconds, keep checking it. The next step is going to be to fold in these egg whites 1/3 at a time into our warm white hot chocolate.
I was just gonna say, when I put it in the microwave, sometimes the chips don't look like they're melted, so you should stir them as much as you can to distribute the heat, because that's what oftentimes leads to actually having them burn, is thinking that they're not melted yet when they actually are melted. So Emily's just putting in 1/3 of the mixture and folding it in, the eggs and the chocolate, even though it looks like the same thing. Last, we're going to put in our lemon zest and lemon juice. And then we're going to pour it into the parchment-lined baking sheet and stick it in the oven. Spreading it out to the sides. In she goes with no light in the oven because Sarah ruined it. Bye. How long? I don't know. 30 to 35 minutes. Let's do 34. Let's do 33. Middle ground. It's been 34 minutes. We're gonna take it out. Ooh. Oh my goodness. It's supposed to be lightly brown on the top. Okay, I don't know why I have an instinct to touch everything. This does have to completely cool, so we're gonna let that do that. And then we're gonna slice it up, maybe dust it with a little bit of powdered swerve. Go downstairs and try this lemon keto 3-ingredient brownie. Looks like cornbread. Here we are. It looks like a pancake. It's very flat. It's a triangle pancake. It says that a toothpick should come out clean, but where are you supposed to stab it? It's like, it's pretty thin. So I think that the chocolate was a little seized when we mixed it, and it caused a little deflation of said egg. Maybe make sure that the egg... It tastes good. It's really good. Lemony, not too sweet.
Maybe if you pour them in little individual cupcake molds or something, you can get something that's nice and thicker.
Mm-hmm.
But the flavor is really good. 3 ingredients, you can't beat it. Really lemony, sweet.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
It is
It
very
reminds me
thin.
of lemon bar.
Yeah, like a lemon bar, exactly. You know, and I think that this is just a great base recipe, just having the egg mixture foam, if you will, and then adding in the white chocolate. I was just thinking about all the different combinations of things that I could actually make.
Strawberry puree.
Strawberry puree, no, maybe puree, but powder, blueberries, maybe like a lemon poppy seed would be nice here.
Oh.
Put some poppy seed in there. Why not? Lime, like a key lime version of this might be really good.
I want more.
Well, there's more upstairs.
I really thought you were gonna give it to me. I really thought for a second. I was like, oh, she's gonna give it to me.
No
I'm
way.
looking at it.
There's more upstairs. Anyway.
The only thing was, it kind of stuck to the parchment paper.
Yeah.
I don't know how to deal with that. Maybe you have to oil the parchment paper. But overall, it was a super easy, good recipe. Simple, good, flavorful, perfect for summer. Love it. So if you guys like this recipe, click on the screen because we made something so delicious with white chocolate chips. You're not gonna miss it. It's a keto-friendly puppy chow recipe with a spin on it because we used strawberries. And pork rinds.
And pork rinds. We'll see you over there. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Emily.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.
Help.